Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to the channel. So this short video is exclusively for the Q50, Q60, VR30 guys. We're going to show two features in this video. One is going to be the map switching via cruise control function on the VR30, wasn't available before, and the second one is going to be the launch control. For starters, we're going to press and hold the cancel button on the steering wheel, and then we're going to press up or down in order to select the appropriate map. So as soon as you hit cancel or hold cancel for a couple of seconds, you're going to see the RPM needle start to move like so. It's at 1, 2, 3, 4, and you can come back down to map 1 and let it fall out. There it goes. That means map 1 is selected. You can do the same thing for any map that you would like to choose. Excuse my focus here for a second. So we'll do it again. Hold cancel, select map 2, and then cancel again. Now it's on map 2. So let's do it one more time. Hold cancel. This time I'm going to go to map 3 and press cancel. And now when I do it again, it's going to leave or start where it left off. So I'm going to go to back 1, map 1. That's my race map. And then it falls out. So that's how you change maps on the ECU Tech via the cruise control functions. The more information on this to come. As of right now, I just wanted to show you guys how they function. Next up, let's do launch control. So getting ready for launch control here, guys, I'm going to go over a couple of quick details. Simply how it works is you press down the brake pedal as hard as you can. It's going to activate a brake switch that is a new parameter that's going to be listed on your EcuTech list of parameters, and along with the launch control parameters. So it's going to turn on that brake switch, and as soon as you smash that gas pedal right away, it should rev up to the limiter set up by your tuner. I'm not exactly sure at this point how high we can set it, but we're at the mercy of the torque converter on this automatic transmission. So to simplify that, simply you're going to smash a brake pedal, smash the gas pedal, and then it's going to rev up. It should only take a few moments for your turbos to spool up and reach the PSI. Right now I have set mine to 2250, I believe, so we're going to test that out here in just a second. If you guys have any further questions, please comment below, and also feel free to share any input, and you should look forward for this update here in the near future. Jesus, that was violent.